Broke people don't fail at night. They fail every morning because the first thing they do when they wake up is grab their phone. Before their mind is even awake, they're already consuming scrolling, escaping reality. Their brain gets used to dopamine before discipline, comfort before action. Rich people, they don't look for entertainment. They look for direction. They plan. They move. They work before the world wakes up. Broke people start their day reacting. Rich people start their day creating. It's not about waking up early. It's about waking up with intention. Put down your phone. Touch reality. Make one decision that moves your life forward, because your mornings decide your future, and most people waste theirs without even realizing it.